Today we are drawing Goku step by step. We start with the left eye. Draw a curved line like this. Do the same for the right eye. Then add small lines on both sides. Then finish the eye shape by connecting these two parts like I show. We make the eyes sharp and a little angry. Next, draw two small black pupils. Now draw thick lines on top of the eyes. And add small lines inside the eyes, like I show. After that, draw two short lines above the eyes for the angry face. Next, draw two small lines between the eyes and add a few lines under it to make the nose. Now draw a short line for the mouth. Make it a little curved down so Goku looks serious. After that, draw short lines on both cheeks. These lines make the face look strong. Now draw the face. Go down to the chin from the left side, then go down to the chin from the right side, connecting the face. Keep the chin sharp, not round. Then draw one big hairpiece a bit to the right from the center. Start at the forehead, go down, and come back up. Now add more hair pieces in the front. Draw them pointy and a bit different in size. After that, draw the ears on both sides of the head. Keep them simple. Draw the big, spiky hair around the head. Start in the center and go to the left side first. Then do the same on the right side. Make the spikes big and sharp. Next, draw the outline for the parts that will be black. Don't fill anything yet. We plan the dark areas first. Next, start coloring the hair. Look at the top and bottom of the hair. I leave these parts white. This makes light and shadow. Next, we will draw Goku's muscular neck and some final details, so watch till the end. Now draw two straight lines down from the head. This is the neck. Then add two short lines in the middle for neck muscles. After that, draw slanted lines going out from the neck. These lines make the shoulders. Now draw the top part of Goku's clothes. Use simple curved lines on both sides. Keep it loose like fabric. Then add a few extra lines inside the clothes. These lines show folds in the shirt. Now draw the upper chest line under the neck. Keep it simple and not too big. After that, look at the whole drawing. Fix small gaps if needed. Make sure all lines are closed and clean. And this is our finished Goku drawing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.